To use GitHub, you will first need to create an account. Setting up an account is free and easy. First, you'll go to www.github.com and click on the sign up button. You'll need to provide an email account along with password and username. Click the Continue button. You'll then need to solve a puzzle. In this case, we'll just do this one here. Click Submit, and you will then get a verification link in a subsequent email. Click on the verification link, and it will take you back to your account, where you can, if you choose, set up two-factor authentication. If all goes according to plan, you can now use GitHub.